You have two choices with AI: adopt it or get left behind. I've tested hundreds of tools. Most are distractions. But I've found 7 that are true game changers for making money and saving time. Let's dive into the only AI toolkit you'll ever need. Building a website used to be a complex and time-consuming endeavor. It often took weeks, sometimes even months, to get a site up and running. And the cost? Well, that could easily run into the thousands, putting it out of reach for many small businesses and individuals. The traditional website development process was a significant hurdle for anyone looking to establish an online presence. But now, the game has changed. With innovative platforms like TenWeb and Durable, you can launch a fully functional, professional-looking site in under a minute. Yes, you heard that right. Less than 60 seconds. Just answer a few simple questions about your business, your goals, and your target audience, and the AI takes over, handling the entire design process automatically. It generates compelling copy and selects relevant, high-quality images, instantly populating your site with engaging visuals. Want to start a web design agency and capitalize on this revolutionary technology? You can build multiple sites for clients in an afternoon, scaling your business faster than ever before. And because of the speed and efficiency, you can charge premium rates for your services, boosting your profitability. The barrier to entry for both website creation and web design services is completely gone. These tools don't just save you valuable time and resources, they essentially hand you a ready-made, profitable business model. If you're not taking advantage of these AI-powered platforms, you're missing out on a significant opportunity to generate serious income and grow your business. This is your first step towards embracing the power of AI and making it work for you, unlocking new levels of efficiency and profitability. In today's fast-paced digital landscape, short-form video is king. It's the most engaging way to capture attention and connect with your audience. Platforms are flooded with these bite-sized videos, and creators are constantly striving to make theirs stand out. But let's face it, manually editing engaging clips from long videos is a tedious grind. Sifting through hours of footage, identifying key moments, and crafting them into compelling shorts can take forever. It's a time-consuming process that can drain your creative energy. That's where Opus Clip steps in. It does it all for you. Automatically finds the best, most engaging moments within your long-form content, intelligently reframes them for optimal viewing on any platform, and automatically adds eye-catching captions, and delivers a suite of viral-ready clips in just minutes. Simply upload a podcast, a webinar, or any long-form video, and get back a dozen or more social-ready shorts, perfectly tailored for maximum impact. Absolutely no manual video editing or video editor needed. Flood your social media feeds with high-quality content, consistently, grow your audience exponentially, and save countless hours every week that you can reinvest back into your content. This is how smart creators are going viral and dominating social media in 2024. If you're serious about making content that gets seen, Opus Clip is absolutely essential. Don't just struggle to keep up with the competition, get ahead of the curve and launch your content to new heights. Email eats up hours of your week. ChatGPT Writer changes that. It's a Chrome extension that writes replies for you, right inside Gmail. Just type your intent, click, and get a perfect, human-sounding response. Clear your inbox in minutes, not hours. Automate the boring stuff and reclaim your time. Stop typing, start automating. Customer support can drain your time and money. Tidio's AI chatbot handles up to 70% of customer questions instantly. It learns from your site, answers FAQs, tracks orders, and boosts sales by engaging visitors. Free up your team for real problems while Tidio works 24/7. It's not just support, it's a sales machine. Automate, save money, and grow revenue, all at once. Tidio is like hiring the perfect employee for a fraction of the cost. Drowning in documents? DocuAsk lets you chat with any file. PDFs, contracts, research papers. Upload, ask your question, and get instant cited answers. No more skimming endless pages. Extract what matters in seconds. Let DocuAsk do the reading so you can focus on decisions. Microsoft Copilot is your AI assistant inside Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Teams. Ask for data analysis, instant presentations, or meeting summaries. Copilot does it all. No new tools to learn, it's built into what you already use. Automate the tedious, focus on what matters. This is the future of work. Faster, smarter, easier. Need stunning visuals? Adobe Firefly lets you create images, art, and graphics with just a prompt. Type what you want. Firefly generates it, copyright safe and original. Use generative fill to edit photos or turn sketches into photorealistic art. No design skills needed, just your imagination. Create unlimited assets for social, web, or ads in seconds. Firefly puts pro-level creativity in your hands. These 7 AI tools aren't just hype. They represent a fundamental shift in how we approach work and life. They're your shortcut to success, a way to leapfrog the competition and achieve your goals faster than you ever thought possible. Embrace them and watch your trajectory soar. Ignore the noise, the endless stream of distractions and opinions that pull you away from what truly matters. Pick the tools that matter, the ones that directly address your needs and amplify your strengths. Be selective, be strategic, and take action. Don't let analysis paralysis hold you back. Implementation is key. Start with the one that solves your biggest problem, the one that's been keeping you up at night. Tackle it head-on and experience the immediate impact. Master it today. Dedicate the time, learn the nuances, and become proficient. Build, create a solid foundation for future growth. Automate, streamline your processes, and free up your time for more strategic initiatives. Create, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's possible, and grow faster than ever. Unlock exponential growth and reach new heights. The winners in this new era, the leaders of tomorrow, are the ones who move first. Seize the first mover advantage and establish your dominance. You have the roadmap, the tools, and the knowledge. Now it's your turn to execute. It's time to turn potential into reality. The AI revolution is here, transforming industries and creating unprecedented opportunities. Don't get left behind. Embrace the change and step into your future.